Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking gym or fitness Facebook story for your Facebook account or Facebook pages. Just log into your Canva account. Go to the search bar and type Gym Facebook Story. Canva will then suggest the best Canva templates available for you. Go to the See All option, and you will find hundreds of options. Just explore and look for a good template. Maybe I'll pick this one. Maybe I'll go with this one. I'll just select it and also look for more templates. Yeah, I'll go with this one. You can just explore, and whichever template you like, just customize that one. Now I have full access to customize or modify whatever I want in this template. Starting with text. If I want to customize this text, I'll just select it, and here are the options available for text customization, such as changing the font, text color, making it bold, italic, underline. Everything is available. Those were the text customization options. Now, if I want to add or replace the template image with my own, to do that, I need to go to Upload and upload images from my computer. After that, my image will appear here. I'll just drag and drop it like this. Then I just drag and drop and can adjust it like this. This should look good, and I can just resize it as well. I can just modify whatever I want. In a similar way, I can add or remove any text. And like this, you can modify whatever you like. You can add your own logo, your own text, your details, your branding colors, everything. When you're done with your modifications or customizations, to download, rename your file, go to the Share, Download, and save it in PNG or any other available format. Just download it, and your Gym Fitness Facebook story is ready to upload. Thank you for watching.